Hey, I hope this finds you doing well today. Today we're going to look at the 1979 Ford F-Series truck from Greenlight. This is 1/43rd scale and from the TV series Dallas. Now, I did some research and I found a website actually that showed all of the cars from Dallas and what episode they were in. I was kind of hoping that this was like an iconic truck or something from the show. And maybe it is. I'm not really familiar with Dallas. But all I could find was that it was in one episode, and it seems like there was a lot of really awesome cars in this show that were only in one episode. So if you can shed some light on this, please let me know in the comments. I'm curious to know if this is truly just from one episode. Anyways, it's a sweet looking truck nonetheless. I love these old style pickup trucks. Let's check out the detail on there. We got Dallas, Texas license plate on there. That's pretty cool. Ford across the hood. Windshield wipers, pretty sweet and pretty detailed. We even have a rear view mirror on there. Plastic headlights, of course, for added detail. Here's the side. Now, I can remember riding around in trucks like these when I was little. When I was little in the early 90s, this truck wasn't really all that old. You can see the side mirrors on there. That's probably what I remember, the most about these things is the huge side mirrors that stuck out. Like if you're walking through a parking lot or something, I just remember you had to at the time I had to duck because I was small, so I didn't hit my head on them. So pretty interesting memory there. But we got the Ford tailgate there and the Dallas, Texas license plate. Pretty awesome. Also, I think those are plastic taillights. Yes, it would appear that the taillights are a separate piece, so that's pretty cool. But anyways, there you have it, the 1979 Ford F-Series truck from Greenlight and Dallas, the TV series. Thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos, and have a great day.